Hi guys! Today is the day that you will learn about our introductory blog about multimedia and ICT.
Multimedia is all around us. We see it when we stream movies, play online games, and scroll on social media, and join virtual events. It makes learning fun and communication more colorful.
What is ICT? ICT means Information and Communication Technology. It is the use of devices, networks, and systems that help us connect with other people, share ideas, and make new things online.
We use ICT every day. We send emails, join video calls with friends or coworkers, attend online classes, and shop safely on the internet. It makes the daily task easier and faster.
ICT and multimedia work together like partners. ICT gives us the tools and technology while multimedia brings the content and creativity together. They shape our modern digital world. ICT and multimedia already know how to live, study, and work. In the future, they will continue grow through AR, VR, and AI, and smart devices.
That's multimedia and ICT in action, helping us today and building our future. Thank you for watching.